Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be adding our Adobe Illustrator file to your hours Dropbox. And then at the end we are going to be screenshotting our image in Adobe Illustrator, and that's going to be our submission for Schoology for this assignment. Here's how it happens. So going to my image, first of all, I want to make sure that I have everything set up in the way I want it. Remember that if we didn't start by deleting that little extra line, if you see any extra cut lines in this space that shouldn't be here, or honestly any other lines in general that you don't want, make sure you select and delete them. Now from there, the next thing is make sure you do a file save. One of the most common mistakes that kids do is they get really excited about what they just made and they go put it in my Dropbox, but then they forget that they didn't save, so I get something that was unedited or unfinished. And then usually when you're getting ready to leave the program, you save it right before you close it, and then you have it there. So important part here is save. And then after we save it, we want to go and I'm looking for Project 2 Demo. I just remember my name here. We want to go into the assignment page. And in the assignment page, we're going to find the Dropbox that we're using. For me, it's 6th hour right now. And when we select the 6th hour Dropbox, it's going to ask us some options. So right away here, it says add files me. It'll say that same thing for you, but down below it'll say add your first and last name and your email here at school also. So please make sure you fill out all those things. Adding files, we should be able to select this. Adding files from our computer. And then when we go here, we should be able to find our assignment. So in our documents, I believe is where I made this. And if I slide down, I'll probably see my most recent stuff here on top. And there's my Project 2 Demo. So I'm going to select that, and it's going to give me a little preview. All the little extra things right here that you see should not affect our design at all because it's outside the artboard when we save it. And then when I hit open here, it's going to drop it into my Dropbox. Oh, sorry. Then you want to add your name and your email. All right. And then hit upload. Now, with that being said, that's how we use the Dropbox. I can just add this little portion right here. This would be Robert Lehman, space Lehman, and then my email, robert.lehman@isd728.org. Now that I have those things filled in, the next thing I can do is hit upload. It will say done. You get a little finish line, pride pose. All right, you have completed that portion, but we're not done yet. Now, so the next thing we need to do is go into our Adobe Illustrator. We want to Alt, scroll in, scroll out, all right, and get this so we can see our image, and it's the main portion, the majority of the screen. All right, kind of like right there. If I move this up just a little bit, now I can see my whole document. Oh, not quite. All right, right there. And when I got that there, what I'm going to do next is a screenshot. For me, it's pushing the screen or print screen button, which is F11, and then my screen turns gray. Usually does. And then when I click and drag, this is going to save my screenshot in the pictures folder in a screenshots folder that should be right by your documents. So looking for a pictures folder instead of your documents folder and screenshot folder inside there, and that's how you'll turn that into into Schoology. Now, the next thing though is some of you, if that doesn't work, the print screen F10, I think many of you already know how to do it the right other way. But the other way we can do it is by doing a shift window. Those buttons push at the same time, and then also adding the letter S. All right, and the same thing then there. You'd click and drag, and then everything else would happen. I'm going to hit the escape key to stop that last function. I hope this video helps. You are done with your Project 2. If you want to make another one, I believe you can at least make one more. Sometimes I'll let people make more if we have more time. So please just listen to me during class. And I hope all these videos assisted you through and you learned some things about Adobe Illustrator. And I hope you're excited about getting your laser engraved pieces. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.